We are innovators. We are builders. We are industry leaders. We are never satisfied with the status quo. And that's why 100 years later, we are here today. Every innovation, improvement, process, or product, it was all sparked by our imagination. An imagination that pushes beyond what others believe is impossible to do, to make lives brighter. Thousands of caring team members, millions donated to our communities, countless homes improved. This is our story, 100 years of imagining, building, and fighting for a brighter future for generations to come.